Hi, my name is Borawski and I'm the export manager in SaMASZ, Poland. Today I would like to talk to you about our lightweight cutter bar. SaMASZ is one of the manufacturers with two types of the cutter bars. This particular cutter bar is called the LiteCUT and is dedicated for smaller operations. It has a bolted design and all the gears are in line and work in oil bath. The cutter bar features quick blade replacement system and shear key protection. Now I will show you how to change blades in this cutter bar and how the quick blade replacement system looks like. So you need to insert the lever in between the blade holder and the disc and then press it firmly. Once the jaw is open, you can change blades. You can do it from both sides of the cutting unit, but you need to remember that the disc needs to be square to the cutter bar. Recess here will allow the blade holder to go down enough to create a gap and then the blade can be replaced. SaMASZ offers two types of blades, left-hand side and right-hand side. When changing them, you need to keep in mind that the arrow mark on the blade needs to correspond with the direction of rotation of the disc. LiteCUT cutting unit is protected with the cut-off key protection system called Safegear. It means that in case of hitting any obstacle during operation, there won't be any damage to the gears inside the cutting unit. Once the safety was engaged, you need to change the key in the disc module. In order to do it, you need to remove the disc with the blade holder and then take the top hub off, replace the key and then put everything back and you're up and running within a matter of minutes. LiteCUT disc modules have only one key which holds the top hub in position and works as a safety. As it comes to timing of the cutting unit, if you don't take the module out of the cutter bar, it's easy. It's square, so discs needs to be square to each other. However, when you take the whole disc module out and you want to reinstall it, you need to keep in mind that both hubs needs to be in line. In order to check if they are, you need to use a straight edge and set the disc module so those four holes are in one line. This is a LiteCUT cutting disc. Like you can see here, we have two blade pins. The blade pin is offset a bit, so once the disc rotates, the centrifugal force pushes the blade outside and this offset part creates a catch which keeps the blade on the blade pin. Discs are made of hardened steel and they are balanced. You can see here is a correction mass, so it means that the disc has been balanced. Once we have the cutting unit in upward position, we can have a closer look to the underside of the cutter bar. Like you can see, 2/3 of the surface of the cutting unit is covered with the sliding skid. If we would like to cut higher than the standard cutter bar cutting height, we can install optional topping skids. Additional change of height can be done with the distance washers. Washers needs to be installed on the bolts, on the mounting bolts from behind of the topping skid. As it comes to the cutter bar maintenance, the most important thing is to change the oil frequently. We recommend to change the oil after first 50 hours or after 500 hours, or at least once a year. Oil used in the cutter bar is 80 weight 90. In this cutter bar, drain plug is located by the gearbox. So to change the oil, the easiest way is to lift the cutting unit to transport position and then lift your 3-point up, remove the drain plug and let the oil out. Capacities of the oil varies because of the working length of the cutter bar. Detailed amounts of the oil you can find in operator manual. Thank you for attention. Remember that in case of any doubts or concerns about the use and operation of the mower or the cutter bar, always consult operator's manual or contact SaMASZ directly. Thank you.